Good day. My name is Kay D. Sommer, and I am a recent graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. I am here to express my strong interest in the human resource specialist position. With a solid educational background and practical work experience, I am confident that I can be a valuable asset to your company. Throughout my studies and work, I have developed a strong foundation in labor relations recruitment and resource management. I am a resourceful and adaptable person capable of handling high pressure environments with professionalism. I have over 4 years of combined work experience as a cashier and a crew member. This experience has honed me the skills in customer relations, providing high quality service and effective resolving concerns to maintain a positive brand image. Communication. Work well within teams and communicating clearly and professionally. Of course, mathematical and computational skills, managing cash drawers accurately, ensuring precise transactions, and minimizing discrepancies. So let's move on to my education and achievements. I completed my degree at Naga College Foundation INC and graduated with high honors from AMA Computer Learning Center, Naga, where I also received the ACLC Majorette Service Award. These experiences taught me the value of discipline, hard work, and dedication. So let's proceed to our interview questions. Tell me about the situation in which you had to deal with a difficult person. How did you handle this situation? So, in my previous work experience, I encountered customers who were upset or dissatisfied. In one instance, a customer was frustrated due to a misunderstanding regarding pricing. I handled the situation by staying calm, listening attentively to their concerns without interrupting, and maintaining a polite and professional tone. I acknowledged their feelings, explained the details clearly, and offered a solution that addressed the issue. By remaining composed and empathetic, I was able to de escalate the situation and ensure they left satisfied. Number two, what would be your ideal work environment? My ideal work environment is one that is professional, organized, and supportive. I thrive in a workplace where there's open communication, mutual respect among team members, and opportunities for growth and learning. I value a culture where hard work is recognized and where everyone works together as a team to achieve common goals while maintaining a positive and productive atmosphere. Number three, tell me about a situation in which you were criticized and how you handled the criticism. There was a time when a supervisor pointed out an error I made in handling cash transactions. Instead of being defensive, I listened carefully to their feedback. I accepted their criticism constructively. I apologized for the mistake and immediately took steps to correct it. I also asked for advice on how to improve my accuracy. I view criticism as an opportunity to learn and become better what I do. Number 4. If I ask a coworker to describe you, what would he or she say? Or if I ask your current supervisor to describe you, what would he or she say? So I believe my coworkers and supervisors would describe me as reliable, hardworking, and easy to work with. They know that I'm punctual, dedicated to my tasks, and always willing to help others. They would also say that I am approachable, maintain a positive attitude even during my busy times. Why do you think you are the best candidate for this position? So I believe I am the best candidate because I combine academic knowledge in human resource management with practical experience in handling responsibilities, communication, and numerical tasks. I am eager to learn, highly adaptable, and fully committed to delivering the quality work. My background has prepared me well for the demands of this role, and I am ready to contribute my skills and energy to help the company succeed. So, thank you very much for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how can I contribute to your team. Have a great day. Thank you.